Today we're going to make a maze game in Scratch. To start off, make the sprite which is going to include the maze. Well, this will allow us to, create the collisions and allow the player to probably see what's going on. We'll now put a green part at the end in order to, allow the player to detect whether it's won and then move on to the next level. I've now just created a player sprite, and you can make it look however you want. This is just my example. To start off, we're just going to put the green flag there. Then we're going to make sure that the ball is going to go in the right position, and we're going to now make it so that it can move about the screen. To do this, just use the arrow key blocks like this, and then point in direction, and then move 10 steps. Now do this for the rest of them. I'll cut this bit out. Now we've done that, I'm going to add collisions by detecting whether it's touching the colour red. Use the colour pick tool there, and it's going to move out 10 steps if it's going to, hit the red. We're now going to stop the sprite from moving when it's touching the maze. We'll now want to slow down the red script in order to adjust for that. If it's touching the black part of the maze, it's going to move a bit quicker than if it was in the red part. I think separating the direction scripts and movement scripts might add a bit more stability to this game. We now need to make sure it's going to move 10 steps. Add an if touching green block in order so we can detect if the player's won or not. Make a variable called level so we can tell the sprite one what level we're on. Always set the level to 1 at the beginning of the game. Make it so it goes back to the start position when you touch green. Back in the maze sprite, make sure you switch the costume to the current level the player's on. Now add a few more level sprites, add as many as you want, it wouldn't matter, and that will be the tutorial we've done for today.